Two heavyweights in travel rewards. Citi Strata Elite versus United credit cards. Which one really delivers? On the left, Citi Strata Elite, designed for luxury travel and premium dining rewards. On the right, United cards, your ticket to earning miles and exclusive United perks. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's how we're going to do this. I'm mapping out all the stuff that actually matters. We're looking at the annual fee. Yep, got to talk about it. Travel benefits, rewards earning, lounge access, flexibility for redemptions, the insurance and protections, and what you score on dining and everyday spend. Let's dig into each one at a time. Okay, kicking things off. Annual fee. Citi Strata Elite. Honestly, this is a luxury card, so you're looking at a chunky $595 a year. There's also that bit where each extra user costs $75. Now, Citi tries to offset that with a whole load of premium credits, especially if you travel a lot, but still, it's nearly $600, so ouch. Now, United is interesting. Their card lineup starts at 0 annual fee for the entry cards and goes up to about $525 for the full United Club Infinite. So you can kind of choose how much you want to spend. Honestly, if fees are your deal breaker, United definitely makes it easier. United wins here. No contest on annual fee flexibility.
Travel benefits time? Citi Strata Elite, this is where they flex hard. You've got a $300 hotel credit, a $200 splurge credit, and get this, a $200 Black Lane chauffeur credit. So you're basically James Bond for a day. Plus, 4 American Airlines Admirals Club passes every year, priority pass lounge access, and just solid travel protections. Only hitch? Some benefits need you to book through Citi Travel, and you don't get any instant airline status. Flipping to United, it's all about the airline experience. You get free checked bags, priority boarding, and if you opt for one of the higher cards, United Club access. No foreign transaction fees either. But a lot of the perks and credits only kick in if you're actually flying United. So for pure travel versatility and big flex perks, Citi Strata Elite totally snags the win in this category.
Let's talk rewards. How much can you actually earn? With Citi Strata Elite, you get 12x points on hotels, car rentals, and attractions booked through Citi Travel, and 6x on air travel via that same portal. Everyday stuff? It's 3x on dining, supermarkets, gas, and transit. Plus, those points are thank you points, which you can send to loads of airlines. Now, the catch. The best earnings are through Citi's own portal. If you just want straight cash back, the value can wobble. United cards are built around airline loyalty. So you're looking at 2x to 4x miles on United purchases, restaurants, and transit, depending which card you pick. And the miles are really only going to get you something cool within United and Star Alliance. They're just not as flexible. If you're not flying United, it's meh. Overall, Citi Strata Elite is just way more rewarding for versatile spenders. That's the winner.
You know what? Quick fun fact, if you manage your cards right, you can totally double dip airport lounges on one trip. Citi Strata's Priority Pass gets you into all kinds of places, and with a premium United card, you hit the United Club, too. Talk about living that VIP life. Lounge access. And honestly, this is where people start dreaming of bottomless snacks. Citi Strata Elite, you score Priority Pass Select, which gets you into over 1,500 lounges globally. Massive. Plus, you get 4 passes a year for American Airlines Admirals Club. That's like $300 in value right there. Downside, it's just 4 passes, so not unlimited. United, for their top Infinite card, gives you full United Club access as much as you want. But you have to get their priciest card for this. And the rest of the lineup? Well, you can buy discounted passes or maybe nothing at all. If you want the most global options and a bit of American Airlines icing, Citi Strata Elite is the winner for sure. Flexibility and redemptions. Citi Strata Elite is, well, flexible. You can transfer points to tons of airlines, including later on even American Airlines. If you're more of a give me instant cashback or gift cards person, they do that through Citi's portal too. The one trick, to squeeze the most value, you kinda need to know how to transfer points smartly. United is, honestly, easiest if you just want to book United flights, pay for upgrades, or maybe branch out to partners in Star Alliance. But best value really stays in the United system. So for folks who like options and maybe tweaking for max value, Strata Elite takes the prize here. All right, protections and insurance. Citi Strata Elite goes pretty wild here. Trip delay, cancellation, interruption insurance, lost luggage, extended warranty, purchase protections, rental car damage waiver, pretty much all the overkill you want for peace of mind. You just need to remember, sometimes you have to book through Citi Travel to get the full shebang. United, depending on your card, gives you similar travel and purchase protections, and CDW for rental cars is usually included, but lower tier cards may not get you the strongest coverage. So for super robust protection, Citi Strata Elite wins again. Dining and everyday spend. Let's get real. This is what most of us swipe for every day. Citi Strata Elite, you're getting 3x points at restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, and select transit. That's a lot. And, oh, here's something cool. There's a personal select category you pick yourself for 3x. So if you're into streaming or fitness, you can pump up those points. The catch? You pretty much want to redeem those points for travel. If you pick cash, it's not going to look as impressive. United gives you 2x miles at dining, and the rest is pretty straightforward. But the earn rates are noticeably lower outside of United spends and restaurants. So Citi Strata Elite is the everyday winner for earning value. Let's stack up both cards side by side. Citi Strata Elite keeps on winning most categories. Travel benefits, spend rewards, lounge access, protection, flexibility, and even dining. United's real edge, lower annual fees, and super straightforward United perks for loyal flyers. So here's my take. If you want every perk in the book, and you want to be able to use your points any way you want, Citi Strata Elite is honestly a dream card. It just does more for lots of different spenders and travelers. But if you spend all your time flying United, want instant airline benefits like free bags, and don't want to stress complex point systems, then yeah, United cards keep it easy. Ultimately, Strata Elite wins for luxury, flexibility, and overall value. But United remains pretty solid for the die-hard airline loyalist. Still stuck deciding? Here's the bottom line. Want all-around luxury, versatile rewards, and premium travel perks? Go Citi Strata Elite. Obsessed with United flights and want simple perks plus elite status opportunities? United's your jam. Pick for your style, not just